Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display it's giving you an E65 error and you're wondering what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what it is the dryer has senses temperature and will protect itself from overheating. So if it gets too hot, it will stop working, let itself cool down and start again. But if that trips too many times, if it keeps overheating, it will end up giving you this E65 error and it will stop working completely. And then you'll need to come in. So what you need to do is figure out, why is your dryer overheating? So the E65 error, really the crux is, why is your dryer overheating? Now it could be something very simple. It could be as simple as, the lint filters being all clogged up. So the dryer makes heat and it exhausts that heat through the drying system and through the exhausting the hot air out. And if the air is not flowing properly, you might get overheating. Another thing that could be happening, for example, if you're constantly overloading your dryer and the inner drum is not turning well, you can end up overheating the motor. So it could be any variety of these issues. Those are the two main things I would check. But basically you need to figure out, why does your dryer keep overheating?